Thinking about buying a home, it's a big decision and one that comes with a lot of considerations. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through it. Here are 5 solid reasons why purchasing a home could be one of your best decisions. First up, building equity. When you buy a home, you're not just getting a place to live, you're making an investment. Each mortgage payment builds equity, meaning the more you pay, the more ownership you gain. Unlike renting, where your monthly payments go to your landlord, mortgage payments contribute to your own financial future. Over time, your home can become one of your biggest financial assets. As property values increase, so does your equity. This can be a significant financial advantage, especially in a growing market. Next, stable monthly payments. With a fixed-rate mortgage, your monthly payments stay the same, providing stability. This means you can plan your finances better without worrying about sudden rent hikes. Unlike rent, which tends to rise year after year, owning gives you financial consistency. You can budget more effectively and have peace of mind knowing exactly what your housing costs will be each month. Now let's talk tax benefits. Home ownership comes with several financial perks that can save you money. Homeowners can benefit from several tax deductions, such as mortgage interest and property tax deductions, which can save you money each year. These deductions can significantly reduce your taxable income, making home ownership even more affordable. Fourth reason, freedom to customize. When you own your home, you have the freedom to customize it however you like. No landlord approvals needed. This means you can truly make your house a home. Want to paint the walls purple? Go for it. Want to knock down a wall to create an open floor plan? You can do that too. The possibilities are endless when you have the freedom to make changes. Lastly, a sense of community and stability. Owning a home means putting down roots and becoming part of a community. Owning a home provides a sense of community and stability. You get to know your neighbors, participate in local events, and contribute to the overall well-being of your neighborhood. It allows you to grow roots, connect with neighbors, and feel like you belong. This sense of belonging can be incredibly rewarding and provide a stable environment for you and your family. These are just a few reasons to buy a home. The benefits of home ownership go beyond just having a place to live. It's about building a future, creating memories, and achieving financial stability. Ready to take the next step? Reach out today and let's find your dream home together. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Let's make your home ownership dreams a reality.